Over the last several years at Airgain, we've gone through a massive transformation. We've gone from being a components company to really a systems and solutions company. Here at Mobile World Congress 2023, it's really been more of a coming out party for us to showcase everything that our teams have been working on over the last several years. We've announced a full line of 5G connectivity devices. This starts with the outdoor fixed wireless access device that we announced at CES, and then here at Mobile World Congress 2023, we announced 2 new products to that line. This includes our network repeater called Lighthouse, as well as our small office and residential repeater called Lighthouse Micro. We're excited about these new lines and how they can help improve 5G connectivity throughout the world.
Improving end user experience is one of the key attributes of the works that we're trying to do. For that reason, we're looking at the 5G signals and the delivery to the homes, to the offices, to the enterprise locations. And therefore we're looking at how can we improve that performance? How can we improve the performance of not only the device by itself, but also to improve the performance of the operators that are going to transfer or transmit those signals into the homes and offices as well. From the home point of view, we understand that everybody's trying to look at the fixed wireless access to the homes, and these devices are going to become quite popular in practically everywhere in the world. So the development effort that we have focused on was more on the external or outdoor fixed wireless access devices that provides superior performance over the indoor fixed wireless accesses. As 5G propagates into the community and people are starting to use more and more devices, therefore the reach and range of these devices become quite important as well. So one of the other products that we've been working on for the past couple of years is network repeaters. We call it the smart Lighthouse repeaters that would enable the operators to, instead of installing additional base stations into each area, to deploy a much smaller, more cost-effective devices that is going to provide them with additional capability to get better coverage and longer reach. We have some very unique, differentiated features that we had incorporated into our product. Some of the very obvious performance advantages that we have over the competition is we provide smart antennas into the system. So instead of manually focusing in the area that we want to transmit the signal or receive the signal, we allow the system to automatically detect the best direction of the transmit and receive. The second advantage of our system is, as we know that the frequency availability for the operators are not necessarily always contiguous. So therefore we provide some very unique features that we call the carrier aggregation. We can aggregate 2 separate channels anywhere within the bandwidth, that if the operator does not have a continuous band, we can also combine a frequency on the lower part of the band and also the higher part of the band, therefore provide much higher throughput to the end customers. Alongside of our announcement on the Lighthouse repeater products, we also announced our collaboration with Airgain, who develops our network management software system that interacts with the operators. This network management software provides an interface between our hardware devices, including repeaters, fixed wireless accesses, and our vehicular equipments. We can send all the telemetry information over the cloud, and the operators will have a full advantage of getting detailed information about the operation of these devices remotely.
One of the other exciting things that we announced last week is a collaboration with our partner Mobix Labs. In fact, we're exhibiting with them here at Mobile World Congress to show what we've been working on together.
The Mobix 222 device is a highly integrated CMOS device which will future-proof the products by enabling C-band products of today with mmWave products of the future.
Massive MIMO is an obvious improvement over the traditional MIMO systems. We've just announced a partnership with MaxLinear to develop a reference design for a 64 transmit, 64 receive massive MIMO system that combines our antenna expertise with their SoC expertise that provides one of the best solutions in the industry. Some of the characteristics of the antennas that we have designed for MaxLinear includes very small and thin profile, but at the same time provides a wide range of frequency bands from CBRS all the way to the C-band for both private network and also public networks.
At Airgain, we simplify wireless.